Add. Write the answer in lowest terms. The quantity 4x plus 2 over the quantity x plus 5 plus the quantity negative 2x plus 8 over the quantity x plus 5. Here we have two rational expressions with the same denominator. To add, we'll add the numerators and write the new numerator over the common denominator. So we have 4x plus 2 plus negative 2x plus 8 all over x plus 5. Now we simplify the numerator. We can regroup and combine like terms. So we have 4x plus negative 2x is 2x, and we have 2 plus 8, which is 10. So our numerator is 2x plus 10, and our denominator is still x plus 5. Now we'll factor the numerator. Our denominator cannot be factored, but our numerator can. We factor out the greatest common factor of 2, and we have 2 times x plus 5 over x plus 5. Now that we factored, we can see that we have a common factor of x plus 5 in the numerator and denominator that we can divide out, and we are left with 2.